How to group data in a field in Tableau. I have a bar chart of sales by region. What if I wanted to group west and east together, and then group north and south together? Click on the drop down on region and select Create Group. I can group east and north together by clicking Group. Rename it to Northeast. You can also click on South and West, click Group, and call it South and West. Let's click Apply, OK, and drag Region Group into the view. Now, East and North are selected in Northeast, and then South and West are in Southwest. I no longer need region to be in the view. Let's back that out and look at one other option in groups. I edit the group by selecting Edit Group, and I only want South to be in the Southwest group. Let's remove West. West is now in its own group. If I click Apply, now we have Northeast, South, and West. This just defaults to the original region name. You can also add an Other bucket. If I click Include Other, Apply, now anything that is not in a group is included in an Other bucket. So we have Northeast, South, and Other. And that's how you group data in a field in Tableau. Hope this helps.